Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're going to talk about parts of circles. Let's dive into it. The circle shown has a circumference of 72 pi. The length of minor arc AB is x pi. What is the value of x? So the information we got in this case is 72 pi and x pi in the question already. And then there's shown 45 degrees. This is x pi over here. And then the whole circle is 360 degrees. That's what we know. Now we're gonna create an equation about this. So 45 degrees over 360 degrees equals to x pi over 72 pi. And we're gonna simplify this now because it's gonna make it easier for us. That's 1 over 8 equals to x pi over 72 pi. The pi's cancel each other out. So what we got left is 1 over 8 equals to x over 72. Now we're going to do a cross multiplication to find x. 72, 1 times 72 is 72 equals to 8 times x is 8x. Now we're going to divide both sides by 8, which will give us x equals to 9. This is a solution for this given question for the digital SAT math. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.